Hey everyone, Teacher Val here. In today's video, I'll share my new PPT lesson called The 4 Seasons. This lesson, designed for grade 3 and 4 ESL students, introduces the 4 seasons through clear visuals, simple sentence structures, and fun interactive activities. Once you download the PowerPoint, it is fully editable. Whether you're teaching a large class, a small group, or even online, this lesson is flexible and easy to adapt. It's great for both new and experienced teachers. You can get it from my stores on Teachers Pay Teachers or the Teacher Val Store. Please note that the Teacher Val Store has a bundle builder where you can choose 5 lessons for 10% off or 10 lessons for 20% off. Just click on any lesson and scroll down to find the bundle option. Check out the links in the description below for more details. Let's take a good look at this lesson. The beginning is standard for any of my lessons. First, greet your students, ask how they're doing, then split them into 2 teams and go over the class rules. Next, make sure they have their pencils and notebooks ready because they'll need to take notes, new vocabulary words, and key sentences. Next is a pop quiz, 4 slides in total. This is the part where you learn what your students know and what they don't. Ask a student from each team to stand up and show the slide. The first to answer correctly earns a point for their team. Next, see if they can answer the question, what is the weather like in spring, summer, autumn, and winter? First, elicit the answers and then show them. Normally, at this age and level, they are familiar with words like warm, hot, cool, and cold. Next is a reading section. Start with a wonderful poem for children by Mary Ann Hoberman called Growing. Read it to the children, or see the play button in the top right corner? Click it and you'll hear me read it. Explain the difficult words like grown up, grow, or shrink. I've included small pictures on the slide illustrating these words, but you might want to make sure your students understand them. Next, tell your students that clothes change, people change, and the weather changes too. It's your intro to the main reading section. Read the story with the students. There is one word that I believe your students won't know, and that's puddles. This word is hyperlinked, so when you click on it, it will take you to the slide that illustrates the meaning. Click the Home button to return to the previous slide and continue with the story. As you read, check comprehension and write unknown words on the board for your students to copy into their notebooks. Next is the listening exercise, Guess the Season. Ask 2 students to stand up, 1 from each team. They need to pick a number on the remote. Let's say they pick 4. Click the button.
In this season, the air is cold and snow falls from the sky. Children wear coats, hats, and gloves. They build snowmen and play in the snow. What season is it?
The first to say the season correctly gets a point for their team. Next is a simple game, find the odd one out. I play it in pairs, but you can play it with the whole class as well. Here's what I do. I ask two students to stand up, one from each team, and show them the first three words. Which one is different? The first student who says snow gets a point for their team. Next is the correct the sentences challenge. Show 5 statements one by one. For example, in winter, children wear t-shirts. Students must correct it by saying, no, in winter, children wear coats. If they say any other suitable words instead of coats, that's fine too. Play this activity in pairs or with the whole class. You can even turn it into a writing task. Who stops you? Nobody. Next is speaking practice. Model the dialogue. You can either read it to the students or click the play button to listen to it. After that, give them 2 minutes to practice it in pairs. See the 2-minute timer on the slide? Click on it to activate it so you and your students can see how much time they have left. Walk around, monitor, and support students as they practice. Then play a game with them. I promise they're going to love it. Here is how you play. Split your class into 2 teams. Invite 2 students from each team to act out the dialogue. Click the game button. It will take you to the slide with a grid. Ask your students to pick a square for points, 1, 2, 3, or 5. If they pick a bump, their team loses 5 points. Then click the home button and repeat with the next pair of students. Finish this lesson with a classroom project, or alternatively, assign it as homework. Ask your students to draw and write about their favorite season. They can do it in their notebooks, or you can ask them to do it on a piece of paper, like a poster. You can choose the best posters and display them around the classroom. Students will be proud to see their work displayed around the room. And that's how you teach this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Happy teaching, everyone.